Okay. Attempting to photograph some fiber fallout. And I could see it really coming down. I can see a lot of it. It's a blue sky day in Phoenix. It's Wednesday, March 30th. But we have all this stuff coming down. It's like it's raining. I can't believe it. And you can't see it unless you got the sun in the right spot. Can you see it coming down over my roof?
Well, yeah, I think it's 6. I know it's 6:02.
You see that?
482 6100.
It's like a fiber storm. I'm astonished. This is heavy fiber fallout. This is unbelievable. It appears like it's snowing. I cannot believe my eyes. I do believe my eyes, but I don't want to believe my eyes. So people of Phoenix, take a good look at this. We've got to complain to someone. The Department of Environmental Quality. The governor's office. This is bad. This is really bad. It's about 5 p.m. and I believe that it's been coming down this hard all day because my sister told me she said it was like this earlier today, and I looked around and I saw some things flying through the air, but I didn't see anything like this. I didn't see anything like this. This is very disturbing to me. So I'm going to post this video, and I don't know. We need to complain because we're breathing this. We are breathing that. What is that? Is that smart dust? Polymer fibers? Nano fibers? It's hard to do this. That's why they're getting away with it. It's hard to see. Well, from Phoenix, thank you for watching.